The 2026 Honda CR-V arrives not with noise, not with exaggeration, but with a quiet confidence that immediately sets it apart in a crowded world of SUVs trying too hard to impress. This is not a vehicle built for headlines alone. This is a machine engineered for real roads, real families, real mornings, and real journeys that repeat day after day. The CR-V has always been about balance, and in 2026, that balance feels more refined, more intelligent, and more intentional than ever before. From the first glance, the CR-V communicates calm strength. The design is clean, purposeful, and mature, avoiding unnecessary aggression while still delivering presence. The front fascia feels composed and modern, defined by a wide grille that integrates seamlessly into slim, precision-cut LED headlights. These headlights are not just stylish, they are sharp, bright, and intelligent, designed to adapt to driving conditions while enhancing nighttime visibility. The daytime running lights trace a confident signature that feels unmistakably Honda, subtle, refined, and instantly recognizable. The hood stretches forward with controlled sculpting, giving the CR-V a planted and stable look. There is no excess drama here, only carefully measured lines that improve aerodynamics while adding visual depth. The bumper design is clean and functional, reinforcing the idea that this SUV is designed for efficiency and usability, not empty flair. Moving along the side profile, the 2026 CR-V reveals proportions that feel perfectly judged. The wheelbase is long enough to provide excellent interior space, while the overall stance remains compact and easy to maneuver. Character lines run smoothly from front to rear, adding motion even when the vehicle is standing still. The wheel arches are subtly pronounced, housing stylish alloy wheels that range in size depending on trim level, offering a balance between ride comfort and visual confidence. The roofline flows naturally toward the rear, creating an SUV silhouette that feels modern and aerodynamic without sacrificing cargo space. Blacked-out pillars and subtle chrome accents add a touch of sophistication, while roof rails hint at versatility, adventure, and everyday practicality. This is a design that doesn't shout, yet it never fades into the background. At the rear, the CR-V completes its look with clarity and purpose. The vertical LED taillights are instantly recognizable, extending upward to improve visibility and create a strong visual identity. The tailgate design is clean and wide, making loading and unloading effortless. A low cargo floor enhances usability, while subtle badging and trim accents keep everything looking premium and uncluttered. But the true beauty of the 2026 Honda CR-V reveals itself when you step inside. The cabin is a masterclass in calm, thoughtful design. Everything feels exactly where it should be. The dashboard layout is horizontal and open, creating a sense of space and clarity. Materials are soft touch where it matters most, with durable finishes that are built to last through years of daily use. Honda's attention to detail is evident in every surface, every stitch, every control. The seats are designed for comfort over long hours, not just short test drives. They provide excellent support, with cushioning that feels firm yet forgiving. Available leather upholstery elevates the experience, while fabric options remain high quality and breathable. The driving position is natural and commanding, offering excellent visibility in all directions, a critical factor for everyday confidence behind the wheel. At the center of the dashboard sits a crisp, responsive infotainment display. The system is intuitive, fast, and free of unnecessary complexity. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration ensure seamless smartphone connectivity, allowing navigation, music, and communication to flow effortlessly into your drive. Physical knobs and buttons remain for essential controls, a deliberate choice that enhances usability and reduces distraction. The digital instrument cluster presents information clearly and cleanly. Speed, fuel efficiency, driver assistance status, and navigation cues are displayed in a way that feels informative without overwhelming. Everything is designed to reduce stress and increase awareness, reinforcing the CR-V's philosophy of calm control. Space is one of the CR-V's greatest strengths, and in 2026, it continues to lead its class. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, making long journeys comfortable for adults and children alike. The rear seats recline slightly for added comfort, while wide-opening doors make entry and exit effortless. Every ride feels relaxed, even during the busiest parts of the day. Cargo capacity is equally impressive. The rear storage area is wide, flat, and highly usable, accommodating everything from groceries to luggage to sports equipment. The rear seats fold down easily, expanding the space into a versatile cargo zone that adapts to your life. This is a vehicle that understands routines, responsibilities, and spontaneous plans equally well. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda CR-V continues its tradition of efficiency and reliability. The standard powertrain delivers smooth, predictable performance that feels perfectly suited to daily driving. Acceleration is refined rather than aggressive, prioritizing fuel efficiency and smoothness. The engine responds calmly to throttle inputs, making city driving effortless and highway cruising relaxed. For those seeking even greater efficiency, the hybrid variant elevates the CR-V experience to another level. The hybrid system operates seamlessly, blending electric and gasoline power in a way that feels almost invisible. At low speeds, the CR-V glides quietly, conserving fuel and reducing emissions. As speed increases, the system transitions smoothly, delivering confident performance without sacrificing efficiency. The result is impressive fuel economy paired with a surprisingly engaging driving feel. The continuously variable transmission is tuned for smoothness and responsiveness, eliminating harsh shifts and maintaining optimal engine efficiency. The driving experience feels composed and predictable, exactly what drivers want in a vehicle designed for everyday use. Ride quality is one of the CR-V's most underrated achievements. The suspension absorbs bumps and imperfections with ease, creating a ride that feels stable and comfortable across a variety of road conditions. Steering is light yet precise, making parking and urban driving stress-free while maintaining confidence at higher speeds. Noise insulation has been further improved, keeping the cabin quiet and serene even during long highway drives. Safety has always been central to the CR-V identity, and the 2026 model reinforces this commitment with advanced driver assistance technology. Honda Sensing comes standard, offering features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. These systems work quietly in the background, enhancing safety without intruding on the driving experience. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a high-resolution rear-view camera further improve awareness, especially in busy urban environments. Every feature is designed to reduce fatigue and increase confidence, allowing drivers to focus on the journey rather than potential hazards. The true magic of the 2026 Honda CR-V lies not in one single feature, but in how everything comes together. This is a vehicle that feels thoughtfully engineered from the ground up. Nothing feels excessive, nothing feels missing. Every element serves a purpose, contributing to a driving experience that feels calm, efficient, and genuinely satisfying. The CR-V does not chase extremes. Instead, it perfects the essentials. It delivers comfort without softness, efficiency without compromise, and technology without complexity. It is a vehicle that adapts effortlessly to daily life, whether that means commuting, family duties, weekend errands, or long road trips. There is a quiet confidence in knowing your vehicle will perform exactly as expected every single day. The 2026 Honda CR-V embodies that confidence. It does not demand attention, yet it earns respect through consistency, reliability, and intelligent design. This is the kind of SUV that becomes part of your routine, your memories, and your lifestyle. It's the car that feels right in the morning, comfortable in the afternoon, and reassuring at night. The kind of vehicle that proves excitement doesn't always need to be loud. Sometimes, the most impressive machines are the ones that make life easier, smoother, and calmer. The 2026 Honda CR-V is not just transportation. It is a carefully crafted companion for everyday life, delivering peace of mind, efficiency, and understated excellence with every mile.